Tired of juggling messy invoices and complicated payment methods? In this video, we'll walk you through seamlessly connecting Stripe to Bookingkoala, streamlining your payment process and making your business life a whole lot easier. First, log into your Bookingkoala account. Now, navigate to the Settings tab located on the left-hand side menu. This is where you'll find all the configuration options for your account. Scroll down until you see Payment Gateways and give it a click. This section allows you to connect various payment processors to your Bookingkoala account. You should see Stripe listed as one of the available gateways. Locate the Connect button next to the Stripe logo and click on it. You'll be redirected to Stripe's secure authorization page. If you already have a Stripe account, sign in with your existing credentials. If not, you can easily create a new account here. Once you're logged in or have created your account, carefully review the permissions that Bookingkoala is requesting and click the Connect button to grant access. You'll be automatically redirected back to Bookingkoala, and you should now see Stripe listed as connected. Congratulations, you've successfully integrated Stripe. Now you can effortlessly accept payments for bookings and services, improving your business's financial workflow.